Yo, what is good, guys? Today's trade recap for the 6th of March. Today is actually a loss. I lost around 190 bucks, but losses do happen. Losses do happen, like no one can avoid losses in trading. If someone says they have a 100% win rate, they're bullshitting, alright? Straight up bullshit. Don't believe anyone who says that, you know. Trading part you pay the fee for having. Okay, I'm not even gonna fucking waffle, boys. Let's just get in the trade. Fee, what fucking fee? Alright. So basically, um, I took a long to data high and it fucked up. My idea was correct. We did take data high, but it fucked up. Alright. So first of all, what I saw going into the day. It's gone a 4 hour. Let me take this off. Take this off. Alright, on the 4 hour. So right off the rip, we had a massive SMT. Bullish SMT. Although on the higher time frame, like on the 4 hour and that, I'm still bearish. Like I want to see these lows get taken at one point. I don't know why, bro. What the fuck, bro? Genuinely, what the fuck is this, bro? Like this past month, most of February and the first week of March, what the fuck is this, boys? Like even on this higher time frame, like I marked it out since this candle. Look, since Trump's tariffs, bro. This candle, the market's just been moving mad. Like, look at this price action that we had before the tariffs. Like fucking sweet, retrace up, retrace up, retrace up. Not too big of a move, not too big. It's like alright candles, but a fucking bang and bang, 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 fucking, and chop for. We have been chopping in the range for the past half a year, boys. Half a year, boys. 6 months. You know how crazy that is. I'm not saying it's bad. It's better than being at all-time highs, but at one point we need to take something like some high, you know. But yeah, or some low. So basically, on the 4 hours, so I was bullish to NFP highs because we had NFP. Oh shit, bro. Why did my replay stop? Oh, the replay stopped working for some reason. So this was what? Oh, okay, never mind. I thought so. This was NFP high here, data high essentially. Data high. Um, and that was fucking alright. Never mind. Yeah. So off market open. What I wanted to see was basically strong displacement. Essentially, just strong displacement. I think I actually took a little long here. Hold up. It was like, bro, if I would have held this, crazy, bro. But I was like, shit, this is just completely against my rules. And I was like, executions color. Fuck you. And I was like, damn, this is just completely against my rules. Here, I would have got stopped out, but I closed that break even. I took a long here. Stop was going to be here, targeting 15-minute unfilled gap here, which, in hindsight, I would have gone stopped out, but, my idea overall of bullishness was correct. So, basically, what I ended up wanting was I was just waiting for us to get displacement towards that's a high. So around here, I was like, alright, I'm going to look for a trade. So, what time is this? 10:42. So, what is this? 10:32. Alright. So, we actually I'll tell you, boys. So here I remember, damn, this looks good. We are already getting a retrace where, like, we were 20, 30 points away from data high. Also, that data high lined up with a fair value gap, 15-minute. Actually, not 30-minute, but yeah, it was inside the fair value gap. So what I was looking for was hopefully potentially an internal SMT with ES on one of these lows here. Like I just need a small SMT to really confirm it. And it tapped into this 5 minute. I saw this reaction. Like I think exactly now, I placed this trade. Oh shit, this trade here. It was actually like here, right on the gap. My stop was actually at this candle low. It's like here. My stop was at that 5 minute candle low. My TP was data high. So it looked something like this. The trade looked like this. I was like, yeah, we're tapping into this order block, it's alright. And I went in with 3 micros, my usual size. Although I actually should be start using more size. And yeah, I just get stopped straight out. And I was planning to re-enter once we get an inverse, but then after this chop, after this retrace, I just kind of like stopped even like looking at the market. Like right about here I stopped. And then actually we get another fake move. I'm actually glad that I didn't like trade again. Like the only other good trade that was like, and it wasn't even a SMT. Like this, we took this low on both indexes, so it's like no SMT, no clear manipulation. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I stayed out because I think I would have gotten cooked longing like here with my stop. Oh shit. I would have gotten cooked longing here with like my stop. Like I think you yeah. I would have got cooked like that. I think before it actually hit the data high. But my bias was correct. My idea was correct. It was just like I don't want to blame the price section, but yeah, I did take this loss. I should have probably waited for a retrace, but honestly, I'm not blaming myself for that. A lot of the times when we're about to take a drawn liquidity, we don't get a retrace, which is how most of my other trades this week were. This just similar idea, but didn't play out, and I'm fine with that. Completely fine. Then take another trade. So yeah, that is it. See yous.